when the Lord told us, take up your cross. Diba? Hindi sinabi ng Lord, take up your cross and stand. Take up your cross and sit down. Or lie down. Or, just relax. Hindi po. When He said, take up your cross and follow me. The word follow means a movement. The word follow means taking steps, di ba? Diba? Pag meron tayong sinusunod, makakbang ka. If you are following through walking. If you are also following through orders of your bosses, and in my case, I call the Lord my boss, the word follow also means that meron kang action na ginagawa. There's something in you that you have to exert, and that is effort. There's something in you that you have to sometimes parang give up, so that you'll be able to follow.
Pagka nakita ng mga anak natin na parang wala lang, hindi nila alam inside is a battle. Pero naipapakita natin sa kanila kung paano natin i-face ang challenge ng walang masyadong nakikitang pag-aalala. Kasi may mga nanay na kapag may problema, nabubuntun sa mga anak, laging galit, laging nakasigaw. So, ganun po, kailangan natin, pagka pinag-pray natin, so yung kalma, andun lang. The peace, the joy, andun lang. So, yun lang po. Salamat.
Even in the fire, you are here. Though I can't see, you hold me near. In despair, I call your name. Jesus, you're my hope, my flame.